This is the Nexus. This is my systems tree. These are all the systems I have. Open source. I've got on-premises legacy systems. I've got all the cloud systems right here. And if you were to want to see each object individually, I'll go to Postgres. And this is the database. This is the schema. These are the tables. And I can even come in and open up a table to see the columns, the constraints, the indexes, everything I want to see. So that's how a normal systems tree works. However, imagine searching your entire data universe. You want to find out everywhere where social security number is. There it is on Postgres. Snowflake. These are all the tables. Vertica, Oracle, Teradata. The list goes on. Synapse, Redshift, Yellowbrick. Everywhere SSN exists. It shows me the data type, the table it's in, the database, everything. Let's do it again for web page. Here it is. I search web page. There it is on Postgres, Snowflake, Vertica, Teradata, Azure Synapse, Yellowbrick, Redshift, every system, it's going to list it in a heartbeat. But this is a live tree. Now I put in subscriber. It'll show me all of the tables. For example, here it is on Postgres. And once again, we've seen this before. But I'm going to be able to join data, move data, do anything to these tables. And we're going to do a cross-system join. Let's do 4 systems. Now, I'm going to Postgres. I pick addresses and say super join builder. They go, what do you want to join it with? Very quickly, I could have joined it with other tables on Postgres, but I'm going to choose MySQL. Let's go with the subscribers table. There it is. Grab that, drag it in, touch the table you want it to join to, and it'll say, I haven't seen this join before. You can save it and we can do this again, but it's subscriber number and subscriber number. Now the tables are shown right there visually. I pick the columns I want. This builds the SQL across any system. It's an SQL Rosetta Stone. I want to order the data by subscriber number, member number. And this is ready to run right now. I can check out the SQL. It's been built. Now, this is the systems, Postgres and MySQL. This is going to run on a Postgres system since we dragged it in first. That's what we call the hub. It'll move the subscribers table over. But let's join a Snowflake table, one of the most popular cloud databases. A lot of our customers use Nexus to migrate to Snowflake. Now, there it is. I picked the columns I want on the Snowflake table. Notice the icon, Snowflake. I've got a MySQL and I got a Postgres table. It shows me that. It shows me the rows in each table. So I'm doing a very educated join here. Now we're going to go down. Let's go to Oracle. It's a very popular system. And let's see the Internet of Things in action. We've been tracking this person's car, so we're going to know exactly how it joins, subscriber member number, and we're going to get we want to see how fast they're driving out here. Let's look at all of the tickets that they've received. Let's get the average speed of the vehicle, the maximum speed, the average speed over and under the limit, and the number of accidents they've had here. And now the SQL is ready to go. We're going to just run this join from this beautiful federated live tree. Global searching is the key to the future. So our cross-system joins, watch how fast this will run. It moved all those tables over to Postgres, converted the DDL, the table structures, built the load utilities, changed the SQL, because watch what I'm going to do now. Maybe I don't want to run it there. I want to run it on MySQL. So now it's changed everything. The SQL, the load utilities, everything will move to the MySQL system, and it'll join right there. Here it goes. I got the same report no matter where I run it. Now that is ingenious. Nobody on this planet can do what I'm showing you right now. Now, maybe I want to change this to, watch this. I'll change this to SQL Server just to show you can change this hub to anything. It's going to change this to TSQL. There it goes. It's going to convert all of these over to SQL Server. I don't even have a SQL Server in the join, but everything moves to SQL Server. It runs it right there. And now there is the report. But see, I see that I've got 2,000 rows on the biggest table. I'm going to change this to my PC, where it's going to bring all of these tables from each system back to my PC, and in my PC's memory, it joined it there. Anything under 100,000 rows, it's going to be fast. And if I had a billion row table here and I wanted to do it, I could bring this over to the actual Nexus server that I have on the cloud or on premises. And now there is the data. That is the power of a global search and federation. Every single day, you are not using the Nexus. You are getting further behind any competitor who does. You can give me a call at any time. You can write us an email. We'll let you try it for free. You're going to make the best decision you've ever made in your life because the Nexus queries all systems, migrates data between any two systems, does federated queries across them all, and you just saw the power of the global search.